we see how to use Eclipse to write Java programs. First, let us create a folder for workspace. So we'll create a folder in the C drive. Now let us open the Eclipse. It's in this C drive. Now we need to browse and select the folder that we have created. So in this window, just close this welcome panel and go to file and select new Java project to create a new Java project. In the window, give the name for the project. So you can give demo project. Click next. Click finish. So now the project has been created for us. Now expand that one. We can see a folder called src. So now we are going to create a small class by right clicking the src folder. Select new class. Now you can give the name for the class. We give first program. And since we need a main method, you select the checkbox public static void main. Now click finish. So on the right hand side you can see the first program. So inside main method you can simply write system.out.println and enter hello. Click save. Now we want to run this program. On the left hand side in the demo project you can see the class name firstprogram.java. Right click it, click run as Java application. Now you can see the output in the console. Yeah, you can see the hello printed on the console. So it is the quickest way to know how to use Eclipse to write a Java program.